Hey guys, this is Brenton, and today I want to show you my take on the 7.3 Powerstroke. This is my late model 99 F-250 Super Duty. It is four-wheel drive. I bought it in 2010. It had about 86,000 miles. When I bought it, it was real low mileage, real clean. Still is pretty clean. I only got 144,000 on it currently. It originally was lifted 4 inches or so with about 35-inch tires. I brought it down a little bit just to make it a little more user friendly. Now it's pretty much a 2.5-inch leveling kit, 2.5 inches up front and an inch or so in the back, and it's about as level as you can get. It's an XLT. It had just the regular little mirrors when I got it, and I've upgraded to 2005 model tow mirrors with the blinkers. I got them tied in, so the blinkers do work. They never hook up the heater or anything like that, or the defroster. What else? It's got a 4-inch downpipe straight all the way to the back, full 4-inch exhaust with 5-inch tip. That was on there when I got it. It didn't have to do that work. Front and rear replacement ranch hands. Nothing special inside. I got this one, has captain seats. Wasn't really looking for those, but that's what it had. Also wasn't looking for electronic four-wheel drive, but turns out I kind of like that. Simple aftermarket radio, head unit. Got 3 subs behind the back seat, fit in there nice and clean. Wouldn't know they were there otherwise. Not sure if it was an optioned up thing, but the driver's seat is powered by like 7-way power or something like that. I don't know if that's normal or not for XLT. I guess I'm a little bit one of the luckier ones. Very minimal tear damage here. Yeah, right there, I got 144 and change. Doing this video because I'm going to start doing some upgrades to it. I already got a couple, but I wanted to get this video done before I go any farther. Mainly because we have this thing now, and I need to get everything out of my truck to pull this. It didn't like pulling it when I brought it off the lot very much, but I've since found some issues that I've been working on due to a lot of other Powerstroke videos I've been watching. So I'm gonna start doing my own too. But this is what I got so far. Haven't even gotten an intake yet. I'm gonna do probably the Napa intake. Gonna chip it. Yeah, I'm gonna do a flash tuner is what I'm gonna do. Gonna get a, I guess, a deep well oil transmission pan, and there's probably a number of other exterior things I'll be doing. I'm not sure yet. Still picking and choosing. I recently bought another set of these factory wheels. I'm going to do a 5-tire rotation. I don't know, maybe just OCD, but I want my spare to be the same tread wear as the rest of my tires, and if I ever need it, so I don't have just one brand new shiny one. I don't know, maybe I'm weird, but well, that's what I got. Hopefully be more videos to come.